What's up, guys? It's February 28th, 2024, the year 204. It's the year 2024. Had a range day. I did alright, but for the first time, I think ever, I had a good idea that we were going to be an inside day when bulls failed to close this gap, so I was able to trade it appropriately. I was more willing to get out of my trades, which really helped my profits. I could talk about why I think it was going to be an inside day. Well, let me just get into it, and you guys maybe might agree with me. Bar one, or gap down, strong, big gap down. Bar one being. Do you guys see that said it was pink? Strong gap down, but bar one, no follow through. It's a range bar, so not the best for the bulls, but it's definitely good for the. It's bad for the bears, but it's not the good. It's not the best for the bulls. You know, it's just bad that the bears didn't get followed through. Bar two, three is a bull. Small bull bars, three pushes up, 1, 2, and 3, and that leads to 2 legs lower, leg 1, pull back, leg 2. That's just trend line breakout, smaller time frame. Bars 4 and 5 right here. That wick and that top is a trend line break. Bar 6 makes a double bottom. I didn't buy this, but I was pretty interested in it, and the only reason I didn't buy this is because I just waited to trade until a little bit like I just wait. I don't trade the first 30 minutes for sure, and then I wait sometimes if there's news, and I think there was news today, so I waited a little bit longer. But if there was it's just a straight up day, no news, no nothing, I might just buy here with a really tight stop, or maybe buy here, because I did see this as a double bottom, and sometimes when bar one is the opposite bar of the big gap, up or down. So in this case, this is the opposite bar of this. There's a very small percentage that it could be the low of the day. So with a tight stop, maybe I'm willing to take that. And it actually was the low of the day, right? Yeah, bar one was the low of the day. So if you bought this close and just put your stop here, you actually would never, your P&L, you would close flat. It vacuumed to the open price area. But yeah, so first 6 bars, big up, big down, range. That's range bound price action. Bulls bought the lows, bears shorted the bull bars, bulls bought the bear bars, and they went up for a few legs. This was really cool to count. I was counting a leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. It was asymmetrical, so then it's asymmetrical and more range bound. These legs also were looking a little bit more climactic. I was watching this leg get put in, and it was getting bigger, kind of raced up, sold off. Raced up, it held the close. That was kind of a breakout above the high, but with a lot of overlap, I was suspicious, and we're under the EMA. Bar 9 is really bad, follow through. It comes up. I don't think it tagged the EMA. I think the EMA got pulled into it. I can't really remember, but I do remember it trying to go to the EMA. So it doesn't matter really. Bar 9 is a failed breakout by the bulls, and they pulled back. Here's a small bear channel. Bar 9 is the end of this bear channel and the start of this. Wait, what am I saying? Bar 9 is the end of this bull channel and it's the start of this bear channel. And then this bear channel has a bullish breakout because it becomes a bull flag. 3 pushes down. Something I was noticing early on when this candle got put in was a big gap down. This is a big gap down, right? From the highs to almost to the lows. There was only 3 bear bars. 1, 2, 3. And bar 12 is the first, I think that's the first hour, right? So around the first hour, bar 12, only 3 bear bars after a big gap down. So I'm like, that's weird. I would think maybe it'd be like this, like a spiky channel. So that also put me on my radar, maybe the markets are more bullish right now. I had a PT set for up here. That was pretty much my trade. I wanted to take to the gap close, and then maybe the market was going to oscillate. I was still long around here, and that's why I thought the market. This is the price action that made me think the market could become an inside day today. But let me just finish this up. So, bull flag gets the breakout, and then they get a bull channel. Here's the bull channel. They have minor pullbacks with all these dojis, but they're consecutive bull bars. They're just range bars. And it gets a bullish breakout, and this gets a pullback into the EMA. These 2 bars were climactic. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3. climactic bars in leg 3, or you can count it like leg 1, pull back leg 2. That's actually how I counted it, but if you count it leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, pull back leg 4, it kind of equals leg counting, because these bars I thought this was really cool leg counting right here too. So this is range bound price action, double bottom, double top. Bears failed to close this gap, so there's bearish pressure, and then bulls failed to close this gap, so there's bearish pressure floating. I'm gonna delete this bar because I want to draw some stuff. I didn't have this drawn up, but when I was trading today, I had this drawn in like that, and it was green. I had this one here for most of the day because this was easier for me to spot, but I was acknowledging this line as resistance. I just didn't have this. I just want you guys to see what I'm seeing right now. So this is after the fact I'm talking about it, because sometimes people leave comments. It's easy to talk about the markets after the fact. So this is after the fact. There's there's a bear gap right here. So now there's a bear gap and a bull gap. This could be also seen as a bull gap from yesterday's low, and that's why I kind of thought that we could have an inside day and just kind of start to oscillate. And also look at this sharp trend line, first trend line break. First trend line break usually fails, and you wait for a retest of the lows. We got the retest today, but with this much selling and then a big up move, maybe we go range bound. And this is starting to look like a breakout mode pattern when yesterday, kind of like a bear flag. However, we are within this bear flag. If you guys see that as a bear flag, it's also a bull flag with this gap. So the market's getting kind of cool from that perspective. Let me know in the comments if this makes sense what I'm talking about. This is a bull flag, right? Had a bearish breakout. Here's the bear channel, had a bullish breakout. It failed. It's retesting the lows. And then we had multiple pushes up, and we failed to make new highs throughout the day. Couldn't make a new high, couldn't make a new low, so price was just contracting. And I thought that was just really cool. I was like, wait a minute, this can get good. The higher time frame Emini is starting to act as resistance too, instead of support. So see, market went pretty sideways. Let me delete all this crap. That's kind of my view on what I was looking at today while I was trading. So there's a really nice double top, and then look, so leg 1, leg 2, leg 3, leg 4, leg 5, leg 3. You could say leg 3 are better fade. Sometimes I like to restart the count with a breakout. So go leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. I just liked how how simple the opposite bars were, and the breakout was growing. So that was also asymmetrical. And it becomes a vacuum test of the breakout from the morning, creating a double bottom here. Here's a high or low double bottom with a bull gap, and here's also a double bottom. Double bottom within a double bottom is a nested pattern. Did I say nested pattern? A double bottom high or low is a nested pattern. Oh my god, what am I saying? I am so tired today. This is a high or low. This is a double bottom. This high or low is nested within this double bottom. That's two bullish scenarios breaking out. The breakout looks really strong, but it's kind of climactic, and the breakout bars are shrinking. You can buy the close of anything with a stop right below the prior bar, and you can make a little bit of money. Bad follow through at highs. Bears get a lower high at resistance, and there's that bear trend line, and then they go for 2 legs down. I was in that 2 legs down right here. I went like this, so voila, voila, and voila. Look at that, it was met. Why is this light? The little trading view gnomes were on my computer today. Okay, that's better. Okay, I can't even lie. Let me just make it 75. 72. Okay. So see right here, leg 1, leg 2, strong breakout, pull back, leg 1, pull back, or leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3, pull back, leg 4, pull back, leg 5. For the bears, or you can count the opposite for the bulls, leg 1, pull back, leg 2, that was met. This is kind of a range bound buy low, sell high play like yesterday. I'm gonna go over the leg one, leg two moves formally really quick, just because I kind of scattered it within the breakdown. I'll talk about the market cycle and we'll wrap it up because we're pushing into the 10-15 minute mark. I hope these videos are feeling more to the punchline. That's why I'm trying to get them. Let me know if you guys think I can, if you want to hear me get more to the punchline. I'm definitely trying. I don't want to waste anyone's time because I really do appreciate you guys watching these videos. So here is a leg one, leg two move. Deep pullback. I think you could play it like that. You could play the pullback like that, but just to be consistent, I put it down here for everything. Doesn't mean I get out, but that's always my first target. I just look at it and then I start to play. Leg one, leg two. This is hard to get, leg one, leg two here. That's also a buy low, sell high play, right? It is range bound, so buy low, sell high. You can use that as the range. Really deep pullback, so if you wanted to measure this pullback, this is the high, this is 50%, this is the 0, so this is the lowest point. And in a good trend, we want to see a shallow 30% pullback, which would be right here around this bounce. And that failed and led to a very deep pullback, a test of the lows, which led to bullish price action. And they got their final leg up, leg one, leg two, from a bigger perspective. And then we can look at it. We can start to look at the complex leg one, leg twos here. Here are the complex leg one, leg two. I was about to say 3 times leg one, leg two here. That was met. Here's another leg one, leg two. I saw this. I didn't take this. That was met. Top of the pullback. See. Let me delete those now. Breakout. From breakout. See this macro channel? This macro channel here. I'm going to delete that, but you guys see that macro channel? Breakout. That's also more of a range bound play, and it wasn't really met. Actually, hold on. Deep of the pull to the below the pullback, it was met. We see resistance. This is how double tops are formed. There were multiple bulls who bought this close here. People bought this close because, how do I know? Because I see these wicks. So that means they bought the close here, and they get trapped because bears get 2 legs down. Smart bulls know after 2 legs down that there could be a second push up to relieve these bulls. That's how double tops are formed, because trap bulls buy here, they buy low, they get out of their original position. Bears short the recent swing high. Bulls get out at the recent swing high because they got trapped, and that creates enough selling pressure for a few legs down. So that's a quick double top lesson. Here's multiple legs are asymmetrical. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, pull back leg 4. Here, it's hard to measure this one because it's asymmetrical, right? So there is really no leg 1, leg 2. You can take this bull leg. I don't think this is the best leg to buy because at this point in time, it looks like this is strong enough to get second leg down. So I didn't buy that. But see, this still to me looks a little bit more bearish because we were in a bear channel. So I was waiting to see what happens at the EMA, and I did get trapped because I went short here. So yeah, I'm not perfect. I'm still learning how to do this. Got trapped here. However, this became a strong breakout for the bulls. A buy vacuum of today's high, and then bears get their lower high double tops, and this was my favorite trade today. This leg 1, leg 2 move, just because of the way it lines up, and I was able to spot it when I saw that breakout. When I saw this lower high in this breakout, I said that should get a leg 2 move, and it did. I was also tempted to buy this because it could be a double bottom, kind of like a bull flag, but I thought the more recent price action could be important. And the markets just went sideways after that, so there are leg 1, leg 2 moves, but they're all just sideways price action. See, ignore these bars. I'm just looking at this bar here. So this is the high, 50%. This is the low, and it's a buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. I think it's better to just stop trading this. This is tough to trade. It's very easy to think this is a breakout. It's very easy to think this is a breakout. This is a breakdown. Oh, look, strong follow through, test of the lows. Are you going to short this bar because that's the recent swing low? That's a strong buy, and then are you going to be quick enough to short that? I think it's really easy to give back gains. I've done that a lot, making money here and then giving it back here. So let me get into the market cycle, and then we'll wrap it up. We're range bound, so that's that. No, I'm just playing. Kind of, not really, actually. Yeah, we are range bound, so that's the end of the market cycle. The market cycle goes trend, and then channel, and then range bound. So we're just waiting for a breakout now, and that will reset the market cycle. The more the markets go range bound, the more chances it has of being 50-50. So we had a range bound day. That's great. That's a range bound for it's a reset for the market cycle. It means maybe we get a breakout. I'm always hopeful for a breakout, but I trade the price action. Bigger time frames. I was peeking at this today, and I spotted this after the fact, but see this climactic bar? I wanted to do a leg 1, leg 2 move like this, and it was met. I thought that was really cool because there it is on the daily time frame. And we've been range bound today. I actually didn't spot that. Actually, let me see something. Let me see. I pull from here, pull from here, pull from here. I'm going to copy and paste it. Wait, what the hell? So where did I pull from? Somehow it looks like it was met. Pulled from here. I wanted to see what this leg looks like. Oh, I see what happened. Okay. I pulled from here, here, here. Copy, here. I pulled from here. So I should be pulling from there, but that's the top of the wick maybe. So here to this swing low. Yeah, I don't know. It's not lining up the best, but we get the visual representation. Oh, because it's like the wicks and stuff. So we get the visual representation of a leg 1, leg 2 move on a bigger time frame. Looks a little bit better on the 45-minute chart. Hope you guys using your stop loss. After wrapping up today, there's some people coming over. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching the videos. Keep studying, use your stop loss. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. And I will drop some comments. Let me know what you guys think. Have a good one. Bye.